Using the latest scientific technology, we've created 2 simulations to show people's experience of lockdown. Here is a typical family in lockdown. And here is a family with preschool-aged kids in lockdown. Safe Kids Out the Door has a simple way to keep both your children and your mind safe during this lockdown. Wow, thanks for that. Thank you so much. Anyways, Safe Kids Out the Door has a simple way to keep both your mind and your children safe this lockdown. What is the most common injury for kids in New Zealand? A. Acid reflux. B. Ites from bees. C. Hoking. D. Structure. E. Eel of the above? Incorrect. The correct answer was if false. I present to you 3 tips to avoid falls during lockdown. Windows. Kids fall out of them. How do they get to the windows to fall out of them? Well, by climbing the furniture. So tip number 1, move all your furniture away from the windows. It's simple. Like if you don't want to eat too much during lockdown, you should probably stop trying those new cake recipes. And if you don't want children falling out of windows, move furniture away from them. Number 2, change baby's nappies and clothing on the floor. On something like a change table, if you turn your back for even a split second, the baby can roll and fall off the table. So change them on the floor. You can't fall off the floor. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Get it? TED Talk. Oh, and no teddy bears were harmed during the making of this. Speaking of the floor, tip number 3, keep the floor clear. You can't fall off the floor, but you can fall on it. Clearing the floor of things like toys and clothes will greatly reduce the risk of falls. Do what my parents did for me and make it into a game. They called it, how many times have I told you to pick up those toys? Pick them up now or I'll take your iPad off you. I found that game very motivating. I'm sure your kids will too. So remember, move furniture away from windows, change babies on the floor, and pick up your toys, girls and boys. Boom, I promised you a video about keeping your kids safe, and I even taught you a fun game to play with the kids. Another one my dad likes to play is who can stay quietest the longest. Well, see you later. I'm off to play. How many times have I told you to pick up those toys? If you don't pick them up now, I'm going to take your iPad off you.